How to get her to like you. Number 1. Make eye contact. Interact with the girl you have a crush on. Say hello when you see her at school and at extracurricular activities. If you never talked to the girl before, just find the courage to simply even smile at her, and maybe later say hello. That will make it pretty clear to her. If you never acknowledge the girl you like, she will never know you have a crush on her. Don't be too shy when you try to talk to her. Confidence is a very attractive quality. Don't stare at her for too long. This will make a lot of girls uneasy and wonder what's wrong with them. When you introduce yourself, keep your body language open and vibrant. Don't slouch, look away or mumble. Keep your initial conversations very casual. Ask her how she is, what she is doing, etc. Number 2. Use texting and social media to interact with the girl you like. Chances are she spends some time on Facebook or Twitter. Initiate an online or text conversation by saying, "Hey, how are you? What are you up to?" Comment on the photos on her page. If she has a pet, ask her about it. If you see her playing a sport, this is something you can try to drum up a conversation about. Number 3. Compliment your crush early in the conversation. Girls like to hear nice things about themselves. Give her friendly compliments. Don't always comment on her looks. Girls don't want to get attention for their appearance alone. If she is good at something, tell her. To compliment a girl, you could always say, "I noticed you are a great dancer," or "I like what you said in history class today. I never thought of things in that way." If she is an athlete, compliment her on her last game. "Hey, you were awesome at last weekend's soccer game." Number 4. Talk to her during lunch or after-school activities. Don't be afraid to share things about yourself so she can get to know you. Ask questions about her family, her interests, or her classes at school. During the conversation, make eye contact and affirm that you are listening. Say things like, "I think that's great," or "That's really cool. I'd like to know more about that." Number 5. Get to know the girl you like. Become involved in some of the same activities. Showing an interest in things she likes will allow you to spend more time with your crush. Taking an interest in school activities she likes will help you get to know her better. This will show her you take an interest in what she likes. For example, offer to help out with her school organization's charity drive or get involved in the same theater group. To initiate this conversation, you could say something like, "I noticed you are involved with. I'm really good at, and I would like to help out." Number 6. Avoid talking endlessly about yourself. Girls won't be impressed if they think you are bragging. Ask her questions about things she likes to do, her family, pets, and school. You can interject with facts and ideas of your own and about yourself. Always steer the conversation back to her. I am pretty sure you have followed the lines of pickup artists, etc. in the past. And these lines sometimes might work, but more often they won't. You know why? You don't feel authentic while telling them. And women can literally smell this. So the biggest disadvantage of irregular lines and tricks is, they don't make women obsessed and literally enslave them in a positive way. But no problem, if you want to learn how to become a high-status man that naturally says the right things and use the deadliest pickup line in an authentic way to make the women obsessed for you, just click the link at the end of the video, put in your email, and Jason will send you the masterclass video for free. Don't know how long it will be available,